Oscar, look, bud, look, 1,999,192. Yeah, we're gonna hit 2 million today. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. For the first time ever, all 5 of my cars are parked here at the Burlacker's house, which means the eviction notice is probably going to arrive in the mail pretty soon. Anyways, Toyota Supra. We are wrapping the Supra today, and then Bugatti. Bugatti reached the final frontier. They have set the new world record for a production car, 304 miles an hour in the new Chiron Super Sport. 2 million, boys. 2 million today. 722 subscribers away. $1,999,458. The Supra would look so good in purple to match the Gladiator, to match the Aventador. I actually do have purple vinyl sitting at Summit Auto Lab, but no. We are not wrapping, well, maybe we should wrap it purple. It would look so good. So my fascination for purple on Lamborghinis stems from a Lamborghini Diablo I saw in Portland, Oregon when I was like 12 years old. And ever since then, I have been fascinated by the color purple. So I lined the trio up. A buddy of mine is amazing at Photoshop. He's gonna Photoshop the Supra purple, and then I'm gonna post that photo on Instagram to trick everybody. Just because that seems like the right thing to do. The glare is so bad, I can't even see what I'm taking photos of, but work it. Yes. Hellcat Gladiator. So today is Monday, tomorrow, Tuesday, we are dropping off the Gladiator at Agility Customs, and the 6x6 conversion begins. We're chopping right there. Also, the Elephant, still no update from Mopar. So if there's any Mopar executives watching today's video, call me because I ordered that. Yeah, anyways. The Hellcat Gladiator has 7,000 miles on it. What? That Supra would look so good in purple. It would look so good. I think I might wrap it purple. I don't know, I gotta talk to Clayton. I think I'm going to. I just realized the registration on my Supra is expired. It's Labor Day though, so the DMV is closed. That also means I need to pay sales tax. I have downpipes, I have an exhaust soon. I don't know when. They're still stuck in customs. My Focus RS and my Supra, everything is stuck in customs. Some of you probably heard this news story, but in New York City, there was a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ that was stolen out of someone's driveway. I'm gonna put a photo of it right here. It's all yellow. The rear deck lid is red as well, so it's a very unique spec. If anybody sees that lives in the tri-state area, please call the police. I don't know the owner, I've never met him, but as part of the Aventador Brotherhood, if you will. Yeah, the Aventador Brotherhood. If you do see that SVJ, be sure to contact the police immediately. Yeah, we're gonna park the Aventador in the garage. We're gonna hop in the Supra. We're headed to Park City. That Supra would look so good in purple. I think we're gonna wrap it purple. I think I'm gonna do it. We're making a game time decision. It's happening, boys. We are 74 subscribers from 2 million. This was never supposed to happen. I was never supposed to hit 2 million. I still remember the day I bought my Lamborghini Gallardo and I told everybody I was gonna turn it into a YouTube channel. I remember living in my car, uploading my videos at McDonald's. I must have had like 700 subscribers. Nobody believed in me. Nobody believed, boys, but we are almost at 2 million. We're so close. Yes. What's up? We're 29 away. 29. Oh, you're on there too? Nice.
You're like 30 now.
Wait, what?
Yep.
You just unsubscribed?
And drop. Where's it at? There it is.
Are you
Boom.
kidding me?
Boom. All day, every day.
Ooh, oh. What?
Whoa.
What?
That was.
Come on.
Oh,
Whoa.
That was. Oh, people. That everyone's waiting.
We're so close. Come on.
I should do this.
Yes, you got to get that. You got it.
Okay.
You're gonna get 2 million. There's 2 million. Boom. 2 million. You were late. You missed it. No, you missed it.
Hey, I got the screenshot. That's what.
Okay, you got the screenshot.
Wait, is it gonna go back down?
It might.
It might. Wait, let's make sure it goes back down. Oh, come on.
No, I think.
Unsubscribe, people. Go down.
Oh, there it is.
Go down.
2 million. Get another screenshot.
Get one more off.
Everybody.
Get one more. Unsubscribe.
Wait for it. Oh, no.
Oh, it's over.
Nah, I don't think it's gonna happen. Man.
I wanted to be 2 million, bro.
It's alright. You got the screenshot though. Dude, what happened? I thought you were quick.
I'm gonna be honest. I'm kind of over it. Now I just want 3 million. So,
yeah,
whatever.
Alright, let's go. Probably the least exciting celebration ever for 2 million. We're gonna get a startup on a stock Supra. It sounds like a hairdryer.
Let me know when you're gonna start it.
Aren't you gonna straight pipe that? Isn't that what you told the viewers?
Yeah.
What's taking so long?
I have a meeting this week, so.
Oh, are those Twizzlers?
Hang tight. Yeah.
Thank you. See ya. My plates are definitely not expired, and my window tint is definitely legal. We're good. Labor Day's today, so the DMV is closed, but they'll be open tomorrow, and I will register it. Also, welcome here to Summit Auto Lab. We're dumping the Supra here at Summit Auto Lab. We'll be back in like, I don't know, probably like 20 minutes because we're going in Mikey's GT3 RS. This is the single loudest GT3 RS in the world. Did you bring my earplugs?
Yes, I got them.
Oh, you did? Okay, perfect.
You want me to get some revs?
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Ow.
Jeez.
Oh, sounds so good, but this camper with a bunch of kayaks has ruined our vlog. Get out of the way. Move. Scoot. Eat that, Tesla. It is so loud. Okay. Oh, there's a police next to us. We're good. The loudest GT3 RS in the world. To all my neighbors, sorry. Well, John, you're fine. Roland, you're good. So we're now hopping in the Gladiator, and we're headed back to Park City. My buddy Ethan just photoshopped the Supra to make it look chrome purple. It looks so cool. Go follow him on Insta. Whoa. Go follow him on Instagram right here or right there. Anyways, yeah, I've obviously dropped my phone in the past as well, so not the first time, and probably not gonna be the last time. I just posted this photo on Instagram. The reactions right now are just off the charts, so go check it out. Go smash that like button. If I faked you out, I'm sorry, but it had to be done. It had to be done. Arrived here to Summit Auto Lab. We got the pizza. Clayton unwrapped his Cayman because he has exciting news that I think I can announce, but I'm not really sure. Ooh, check it out. Clayton, yeah? Dude, we should. I think we're gonna do purple. I think I'm gonna snake you guys. Like, we have a roll. We could totally do it. It would look so sick with the Gladiator and the Aventador, but no, we have...
You can always do it later.
Okay, later. It's a fake vent, and on this side, like, you can't actually remove it. There's literally no point whatsoever. Are you kidding me, BMW? Like, you're German. You make the best cars in the world.
Boom.
Wow.
Just like that.
I'm so glad those do a lot.
Airflow. I want to do purple. I really want to, but we're not going to. We are wrapping it satin vampire red from 3M. That is going to look so good. So originally, we were going to wrap the Gallardo with this roll of vinyl. That never happened. And then the R8 side blade was wrapped that red. And now we're doing it in the Supra. Looks so good. That red just like, it just glistens in the sun. Dude, that's gonna look so sick. It's gonna look sick. Like, I do want to do it purple to match the Gladiator, but this is gonna be money. Look at Oscar though. He's such a good boy. Shake. Good boy. Ooh, that looks so good. Sorry guys, I'm a cute dog.
We may have run into a predicament though.
What? No. We have to go purple?
Look.
Oh, I don't.
So the front of the hood is right there, right on the edge. And then look at the top corners.
Oh, you can stretch that.
Well,
dude, you're the best in the business. You're fine. You're good.
Yeah, but that's...
Wait, do we need to go purple? Is that what you're saying, Clayton? Because we can do this in the snap of a hand. Oh, it is? So it doesn't matter?
Yeah.
Okay. Husband in the back removing the rear bumper. We got wife up front removing the front bumper. We got a white fluffy dog just sort of chilling. And this red looks amazing. It looks so perfect. It matches the interior so well. The purple would have been cool, but this satin vampire red I think was the right choice. A lot of dust in there. Lot of dust. You realize my insurance doesn't cover you, right? Oops. Well, I find it crazy that BMW would sell a car with just so much dust in it. You know, doesn't that it just really shocks me that there'd be so much dust that they would deliver a car quite like that. I'm being sarcastic. If you did not see the last video, go check it out.
Yeah, it's just double stick tape on the bottom.
Whoa. Oh, it's the world's worst sound.
Boom.
Yes.
They all came off, no problem.
I'm gonna reckon this is the world's first. It probably isn't, but that's what we're gonna go with. We got the front bumper, the back bumper, we got the side skirt, even this side panel, like fake vent, whatever that is called, that has been removed as well. Headlights are popping out here soon. These headlights are massive as well. We got a little bit of dust buildup, just ever so slightly, not much, just enough. Yeah, we got a lot of dust, but it's gonna be okay. Right, Oski? Yeah, it's worth it. Yeah, we got a lot more dust right there.
Check out this screwdriver I got.
Clayton sent me a Snapchat of that screwdriver. I have never seen him more excited for anything in my entire life.
It's an 18-inch screwdriver.
That's very,
it's a
very
T25.
exciting. Christmas came early for Clayton. Whoa! Whoa! So this is the new wide body kit for Clayton's Cayman right here.
Look how much wider
dude, that's gonna be insane. Girth Nation.
Yeah.
Dude. So this is the Pandem Rocket Bunny kit for the Cayman. So if I decide to get that kit for my Supra, this is kind of sort of what it's gonna look like. And then of course it's gonna have to be painted and installed. But, whoa, dude, that is so sick.
Yeah.
So that's the rear bumper right there. It's got the little ducktail as well.
The new front bumper.
That's gonna look so good, dude.
Yeah.
So to install this, Clayton is gonna have to cut his fenders, sand, Bondo, install, drill, sawzall, you name it.
Yep.
That's gonna be happening to the Cayman soon. Faith is starting there on the passenger door right now. So I just wanted to point out, like, Clayton ordered this kit, what, 6 months ago? Yeah, he's on his phone, but yeah, 6 months ago. So when I get the wide body kit for the Supra, I am copying Clayton, not vice versa. So yeah, 6 months. But this install is gonna be happening in about 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, after the Supra's done. So thanks, Clayton. Always hooking up a homie. Me being the homie. Today's video is not effectively over. Clayton and Faith are gonna continue working on the Supra, but I need to go home, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Tomorrow.
Oh yeah, that sounds pretty good. Look at the license plate on that Tesla. RIP gas. Are you kidding me? Oscar, are you kidding me? Really? RIP. Oh my gosh. I'm triggered. I'm gonna do a flyby. I was gonna do a flyby, but I can't catch him. So, kind of ironic. I'm really excited about that Satin Vampire Red. I know I was joking a lot about wrapping it purple, but I truly am very excited for the Satin Vampire Red. Once that car gets a wide body kit, it gets lowered and some really sick wheels, that car is gonna be much bigger turbo. It needs a bigger turbo as well. Anyways, 2 million subs, boys, 2 million. I cannot thank you guys enough for your support on the road to 3 million. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.